I don't know for what you're talking, buddy, but nobody run my streets, okay? If I catch anybody run my streets, that's it. It's over, okay?
Sir.
You understand, buddy?
Sir.
I'm on the phone, man. You have a problem?
No, no problem. I just want to know if you have directions around here because I kind of lost my way.
I don't know directions, but what's your problem?
I don't have a problem. What do you mean?
What do you mean what I mean?
What do you mean?
What?
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 Am I the only one that's lost?
Whoa. Walk. Walk.
No problem, man.
Walk. Walk till you can't walk no more, okay? Walk. Walk. Kids these days, man. You walk and you walk till Johnny Walker comes with a walker.